Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the DotPad with the Dot Canvas app. Let's begin with how to connect the DotPad to the Dot Canvas app. Chapter 2. Using DotPad 320 with the Dot Canvas app. First, download the Dot Canvas app from the Apple App Store. The app is free to use. Before getting started, you'll need to create an account. Tap Create Account and follow the instructions to sign up and log in. After logging in, you'll find 4 main menu options from top to bottom: Create Canvas, My Drawings, Dot Cloud, and Settings. To connect your DotPad, go to the Settings menu. In Settings, you'll find 2 options listed in order: Connect and Braille Language. Tap on Connect. A pop-up window will display your DotPad's Bluetooth pairing code. Please select your device. Once successfully connected, the DotPad will vibrate twice, and a steady blue LED will remain on. This indicates that your device is properly connected to the Dot Canvas app. Next, tap on Braille Language to view the list of supported Braille languages. Please select the language that best suits your needs. It is important to choose the correct Braille language to ensure that Braille content is displayed accurately and all functions work as intended. All right then, let's explore how to create content using the Dot Canvas app. Please return to the main menu and tap Create Canvas. This will open a new workspace where you can create your own tactile content. At the top of the screen, you'll find a variety of drawing tools. These tools allow you to freely create and edit tactile graphics. By default, the pen tool is selected. Anything you draw on your iOS device's screen will be instantly displayed as tactile graphics on the DotPad. To the left of the pen tool, you'll find the Undo and Redo buttons. Now, let's explore the icons arranged to the right of the pen tool, one by one. The first icon to the right is the color picker. When you tap on the color picker, a color selection panel will appear just below the icon. From here, you can choose from options like blue, yellow, red, and more. The selected color will apply not only to the pen tool, but also to shapes, fill, and other drawing tools. Next to the color picker is the Templates tool icon. When you tap this icon, a menu will appear with options such as circle, rectangle, triangle, and straight line. Once you select a shape, you can draw it easily by dragging your finger diagonally across the canvas. To the right of the Shape tool is the Fill tool. This tool automatically fills a selected area with tactile dots, making it easy to cover larger spaces without needing to color them manually. Next, you'll find the Eraser tool. This allows you to erase specific parts of your drawing as needed. Next to the Eraser tool is the Erase All icon. This tool allows you to instantly erase the entire canvas. Among the tools we've explored so far, some of the most frequently used functions can also be accessed directly using the function keys on the DotPad. For example, pressing F2 will activate the pen tool, and pressing F3 will undo your last action. To the right of the Erase All icon, you'll find 3 mode icons. From left to right, these are Canvas Navigation Mode, Draw Mode, and Menu Navigation Mode. Draw Mode is the default setting. In this mode, anything you draw using the tools in Dot Canvas will be instantly displayed as tactile graphics on the DotPad. Next is the Canvas Navigation Mode icon. This mode is helpful when you want to explore the canvas before drawing or navigate through the content you've already created. When this mode is active, moving your finger on the iOS device will move a tactile cursor on the DotPad, following the position of your finger. The tactile cursor helps you understand the layout and positioning of elements on the canvas. Please note that in Canvas navigation mode, nothing will be drawn on the canvas, even when you touch the screen. Because of this mode is especially useful if you'd like to check where your hand is positioned on the canvas before you begin drawing. Lastly, the icon next to Draw mode is the menu navigation mode. This mode is only available when VoiceOver has been turned on. When activated, the VoiceOver cursor will stay fixed on the menu bar, making it easier to navigate through menu options. You can quickly switch between these modes by pressing F2 and F3 at the same time on the DotPad. Next, we'll guide you through how to use the page icon, which is the second icon from the right end of the toolbar. When you tap on the page icon, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you can create new pages, delete existing ones, and also add a description for each page. To add a new page, simply select the New Page button. To remove the current page, choose the Delete Page button. Below these buttons, there is a field where you can enter a description for the current page. Whatever you type here will be saved automatically, so you don't have to do anything extra to keep your notes. Under the description field, there are left and right arrow buttons that allow you to move between pages. Once you're finished, you can close the window by selecting the Close button located at the top right corner of the pop-up. After closing the window, the page description you entered will appear on the single-line Braille display area at the bottom of your DotPad. In case your page description contains multiple lines, it may not fit all at once on the single-line Braille display. In that case, you can scroll through the text using the triangular panning keys. Press the right panning key to move forward through the lines. Press the left panning key to move back to the previous lines. You can manage pages even more easily by using the function keys on your DotPad. Pressing F1 and F2 together will create a new page. Pressing F3 and F4 together will delete the current page. If you have multiple pages, you can also navigate between them using the function keys. Press F1 to move to the previous page. Press F4 to move to the next page. So far, we've explored how to create tactile content using various tools and features. Now let's go over how to save your work. There are two ways to save your content: .cloud and My Drawing. If you choose .cloud, your content will be saved to an online cloud space where you can also share your files with others. On the other hand, selecting My Drawing will save the file directly to your device so you can access it anytime, even when you're offline. You're free to save your work in whichever way suits your needs best. Next, we'll walk you through how to open and edit content saved in .cloud or My Drawing. To open a file, simply tap. If the file includes multiple pages, tap the Open button. Then use the arrow buttons located at the top left of the pop-up window to navigate through pages. To make it even easier, you can use the DotPad's function keys. Simply press F1 to go to the previous page, or press F4 to move to the next one. To zoom in on your file, tap the magnifying glass icon located at the top of the pop-up window. This will display a red selection box over the content, allowing you to focus on a specific area in greater detail. You can move this red box using the function keys on your DotPad. Press F1 or F4 to move the box horizontally or vertically. To switch the direction of movement between left and right or up and down, press F2 and F3 together. If you'd like to edit the selected content, tap the Edit button located just to the right of the magnifying glass icon. After you've finished making your edits, you can either save the changes right away by selecting the Save button, or choose the Save As button next to it to save the file under a new name. That brings us to the end of our guide on how to use the Dot Canvas app with your DotPad. We hope this guide helped you feel more comfortable creating a variety of content with the app. Thank you so much for joining us.